taken to jail after she was charged with posting a video on Instagram that showed her having sexual activity with her dog. I look at the disturbing case out of Florida.
What explains this besides genetics? I'm waiting. What explains this besides genetics, bro? In what world, what universe would you think it's okay to have sexual intercourse with a dog besides the fact that you're genetically able to and you're genetically like it's just no way besides genetics, though. I can't think of no other explanation. Like, why the fuck would a dog go, bitch? Like, huh? Oh, maybe because y'all share DNA. Oh, that's why. Why I didn't think of that shit? You feel me? Like,
Welcome to Crime Fix. I'm Anjanette Levy. Logan Gaminsky is in the Marion County Jail in Florida after detectives say they got a tip that she was making videos involving her dog and posting them on Instagram. Marion County is south of Gainesville and north of Orlando. An incident report says that the detectives received a tip back on January 28th that Logan Gaminsky posted a video on her Instagram account that showed her encouraging this dog to do things that I'm not really going to go into detail about. It's kind of gross. Actually, it's very gross. If you look at Gaminsky's Instagram account, she posts videos and photos of herself. But this video was cause for concern since someone turned it over.
why would you even post it on Instagram? Like, bitch, is you slow? Oh, is you slow? What?
To the sheriff's office. Detectives said the video in question didn't show Gaminsky's face, but the incident report stated the video also shows a possible belly button piercing on the white female, which in several photographs on the defendant's Instagram page, you can see her with a navel piercing. So detectives started looking at other videos on the page to see if this video was likely Logan Gaminsky.
She's probably getting head from the dog.
They said they found other videos that show Gaminsky with her dogs, and that some depict her with a small brown dog, possibly a Chihuahua, that is identical to the one in the video. This dog is small and light brown with large brown ears, a white line going down the middle of his head, a white belly, and white fur that extends halfway up the dog's legs. I confirmed that the dog in the video has all these same characteristics. I also located a photograph posted on April 5th, 2024 that depicts the defendant with the same dog that is wearing the same dark-colored collar that is depicted in the video. So it's probably not every day that detectives get a video like this, or at least I really, really hope they don't get videos like this every day. So they got in touch with the tipster who submitted it to them. The detective wrote, I made phone contact with the person who submitted the tip, who requested to remain anonymous. They stated that on January 27th, 2025, they observed the aforementioned video posted on the defendant's public Instagram page, Alex GumX. They advised the post has already been deleted. However, they were able to save the video before it was deleted, and that is what they submitted to the anonymous tip. They advised they observed the defendant's Instagram page and observed photographs of the defendant with the same nails and the same dog as in the video. They described observing a post on January 27th, 2025, of the defendant's ex-boyfriend screenshotting the aforementioned video on his Instagram, tagging the defendant in it, and calling the defendant disgusting. This post has also been deleted. However, they were able to screenshot the post and included that in the tip. Now, for whatever reason, there's a gap from February to March 21st. Then last Friday, detectives went to talk with Logan Gaminsky, and they say she fessed up. On 3/21/2025, Detective A. LaRoque and I conducted an interview with the defendant, Logan Gaminsky. The defendant admitted that she is a content creator, which she described as her utilizing the Fansly platform to sell photographs and videos of herself in the nude, depicting different sexual acts to users on the internet. The defendant admitted to taking the video of her engaging in a sexual act with her dog, Princeton, which she described as a brown and white Chihuahua.
Genetics, bitch. Bitch, you was nasty, first and fucking foremost, bitch. You was nasty as fuck. Second, genetics, nigga. What else explain this shit, nigga? What else, nigga? Genetics, nigga. Fuck.
She advised that this was at the request of a Snapchat user named Sire, who requested she make the video and send it to him. The defendant, in return for engaging in this
bitch, you was nasty as fuck.
Sexual act and recording it, was paid $500 by Sire.
$500, man, what?
The defendant advised that she also made a second video containing sexual acts with a different dog, Rosie, which she described as a yellow lab. The defendant advised that the videos were still located on her cellular device, which she described as an Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. The defendant advised the videos were transmitted over Snapchat, and she added her Snapchat username was Logan Nicole 77. Gaminsky, of course, was arrested and taken to jail.
That shit low key back there. Like, you could have got some nigga, you could have did some content with a regular nigga. Shit low key back there. Sis, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'll take that back. It's like it's there, but it's not. I don't know.
Gaminsky faces a third-degree felony charge of sexual activity.
Not ugly, like, bitch. You could have got a regular nigga, but your genetics. When the genetics is expressing itself, it ain't shit else you could do. Genetics, y'all share DNA. with animals, with mice. You share DNA with canines more specifically, right?
These involving animals. She also faces a felony charge involving recording this and transmitting it. I want to tell you about.
And this is science. This is not racism. This is not to slender anybody. This is just to inform and enlighten people on what goes around in the world and how one's genetics often express itself and how we can avoid situations like these. Simply put, don't have canine genetics, like,
A free app.
and don't let your genetics express itself so much so to the point where you putting shit like this on the internet.
That I've tried. It's called Upside. It gives you cash back on things that easy. Extra 25. So, Dr. Bober, this isn't in your area of Florida, but it's down in Florida, and this could happen anywhere, really. I feel like we're seeing more and more of this in the news recently, and maybe it's just in the news. I don't know, but this is not a new thing. But what is up with people wanting to see people doing things with animals? You know, some people would call it bestiality, I guess. But I don't get it. What is this?
So it's interesting. There's actually a lot to unpack here, right? So that desire this and want to see these videos probably have some sort of mental illness themselves, right? Maybe they have some sort of early childhood trauma, or they're sensitive to rejection, something that happened to them early on that create
genetics. Don't try to make an excuse for this, you dumb nigga. Fuck. Don't try to make an excuse for this, you goofy. Genetics.
these very deviant sexual interests. There's a variety of reasons that this occurs, but the point is that there is a market for it out there.
This nigga eyebrows mean as hell.
And I've had patients who've worked in a similar industry, and they tell me all sorts of stories that there's markets out there for things that you and I probably couldn't even imagine, but it is out there and people are willing to pay for it.
Let's go back to
people are weird as fuck, dog. I don't like watching the whole video for it.
what part does like the whole social media part of this play too? Because she says, I'm a digital creator, but she's on Instagram, you know, she's posing, showing, you know, she's on there with a bikini, kind of, you know, showing off her body, that type of thing. You know, a lot of people like the attention they get from social media. Some people use social media to make money. I guess she calls herself a digital creator, so that I guess means she's using it to make money. But is there like a feeding, does social media kind of feed this stuff?
So I say this all the time, right? Social media doesn't cause mental illness, but I think it's the fuel on the fire. It puts you over the top, right? So in a situation like this, when we see someone commit an act like this, the first thing we think of, what's wrong with that person? They must be crazy. They must be mentally ill. But it might be something so simple that she is wanting to make money and she's willing to do it any way she has to do it. And she knows there are people out on social media who are willing to pay for this, and she's going to monetize it. But I do think social media in some way may disinhibit her. It may put her over the top to think, if I really want to do something, if I really want to make a lot of money, let me just put this out there because I know there's going to be a lot of eyes on it. And so I do think
It's public Instagram page, AlexGumX. They advise the post has already been deleted. However, they were able to save the video before it was deleted, and that is what they submitted. Logan Gominski last Friday, and that she admitted to creating these videos and that they were still on her phone. She was actually arrested, taken into custody. Take a look. And she is free on bond. And that's it for this episode. Ski faces those 2 felony charges. Since her arrest, she has posted bail, and she is free on bond. And that's
she is free on bond.
it for this episode of Crime Fix. I'm Anjanette Levy.
They support this shit. Don't let this fool y'all.